All right, so this is a pretty interesting area. It's called Jalan Alor, I think. Yeah, I'll take you for a walk down here so you can see what's popping. A lot of food. Not particularly the food I like the most. A lot of it's kind of Chinese, a lot of noodles, whatnot. A lot of good fruit though. As you can see right here, we got the mango sticky rice. Oh, I'm gonna have to get an avocado shake later. That looks good. Oh, look at the lemon drink too.
Hello, bro.
Hello. What's in here? Just lemon or?
This one honey lemon tea.
Honey lemon. Did you add sugar to it?
This
Have
one
sugar?
no sugar.
No sugar.
Yeah.
I'll get some after. Let's get. All right, durian. How much are durians here? 85 ringgit for a kilo. What is that? Go to XE and figure out how much that is. Yeah, a lot of durians. Last time I was here, there was I was at nighttime. Maybe they come out every night. There was a guy basically sitting right there with a kid that was starving. Like he looked like he was just wasting away. But the guy with him was fat, right? So you can tell what's going on. They're basically starving the kid to get sympathy, so they get money. And if the guardian of the kid, the so-called guardian of the kid, is fat and the kid's starving, you can pretty much guarantee whatever money you give to him is going to be spent on himself or whatever crime syndicate he's working for, and they're going to keep the kid as skinny as possible. I told him off, man. I got really pissed. Maybe if I come back here tonight, maybe we'll see him. We'll get a little conflict on camera, but I don't know. I don't even know if I'm going to come back here. It's not really my favorite spot. But anyway, yeah, this is pretty cool. Mango and I guess dragon fruit mix. Interesting. This is awesome too. See what I mean, guys? It's not here's waffles, right? I mean it's food that tastes good here, but it's not particularly healthy, right? The seafood's alright, but
welcome sir, barbecue.
Oh, I spoke too soon. There's a big thing of broccoli. Alright. What are these? Last time I was here, there was almost a fight right here as well. I guess one of the servers was just going off on her coworker. If I can find that clip, I'll put it in right now. Durian's pretty expensive, but apparently durian's really healthy. I looked it up the other day. No thank you. Apparently durian, if somebody has breast cancer, durian can help that out. So if you know somebody, look it up. Maybe that's the solution right there. Durian. Interesting. Oh, squid. Wow. What is that? Interesting. So yeah, the street's pretty long. As you can see, plenty of restaurants to both my left and my right. There's Thai food right there. Thai, Chinese. A lot of people say people online, I don't know personally, they say the noodles here are really good. So if you're into that, this is the place to come check out. If you're in KL or you're doing a visa run, whatever, come check out Jalan Alor. Yeah, more pastries, fruits, fried foods. Not the greatest. Oh, here we go, sweet potatoes. Those look good. Yeah, so far based on what I've seen, I think the honey lemon drink's the winner. Gonna go back for that. Maybe an avocado shake. It doesn't look great. Let's see here, what else we got? Oh, hidden bar over there. Yeah, a lot of Thai restaurants. Mam Thai, Dino's Thai. Interesting. Alright, some vendors. I'm gonna go check out some of the markets tomorrow, I think. One's called Chow Kit and the other Betaling or something like that. I think the other one's at Chinatown. So I want to get more, I want to get some more basketball jerseys, so I'll check that out. Just got one right now, you can see. Got that for 400 baht in Thailand. So let's see if the prices here are any better. Oh, lamb barbecue. They haven't started yet. Yeah, that's going to be a popular one tonight. Alright, I think I'm coming to the end of the book. Alright, I think I'm reaching the end of it. So the play, I think the play is the honey lemon drink. That's what I'm going to go back for. See you guys later.